Hi guys, here we've got Oppo A95 and let me show you how to perform a soft reset. So basically all you have to do is tap on power button along with volume up button. Keep holding. And once you feel the vibration and also see the logo, you can remove fingers and wait till your Oppo is rebooted. Then you will be able to use it again. Now just draw an unlock button to unlock, and that's it. As you can see, it has been reset. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.